In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Stripe in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Stripe's official website. You can do this by simply typing stripe.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. It's crucial to use the email associated with your Stripe account to ensure you have access to all necessary features. Carefully type in your credentials and double-check for any typo errors, then hit the Sign In button underneath. This will take you to your Stripe dashboard. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your dashboard. Here, you want to direct your attention to the menu options. Locate and click on Settings. This is where we take our next steps toward enabling Affirm. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Product Settings. It might take a moment to spot it among the various options, but take your time. Once you find it, you'll notice a subsection called Payments. Click on that to access the payment-related settings. Within the Payments section, you'll see an option called Payment Methods. When you click on this, it will reveal a list of available payment options that you can configure or enable for your Stripe account. What we're focusing on is Affirm. But before we get there, let's make sure everything leading up has been done correctly. Now, as you navigate through the payment methods, scroll down until you see Affirm as an option. It's usually not at the very top, so you'll need to keep an eye on the list as you scroll. Here, it's essential to make sure you're in the section that deals with payment methods specifically because that's where Affirm will be located. Once you spot Affirm, you'll see a toggle or an option to enable it. Go ahead and turn on Affirm. This action activates Affirm as a payment method for your Stripe account. The toggle may be a simple switch, and once you flip it to the active position, Affirm should be ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Affirm on your Stripe account. Using Affirm can provide your customers with more flexible payment options, potentially enhancing their user experience and improving your business's conversion rates. Make sure to test it out to ensure everything is running smoothly. Remember, this process doesn't take much time, but can significantly impact how you manage your financial transactions online. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Be sure to check back for more useful tips and tutorials.